Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your WordPress homepage to a static page that you control. In this guide, you will learn each step required to make this adjustment in roughly 5 minutes. We are going to start by accessing WordPress and proceed through logging in to adjusting your site settings. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, locate the login option positioned at the top right corner of the screen. This area is clearly marked to help you easily identify where you need to click in order to begin the login process. After initiating the login process, you will be presented with different sign-in options. Choose the option that allows you to continue with Google. Once you click this option, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Simply select the account you wish to use for logging in. This method of logging in not only simplifies the process but also provides a secure way to access your WordPress dashboard without having to remember a separate set of credentials. With your account successfully logged in, your next destination is the area within your WordPress dashboard where you can adjust your site's settings. Navigate carefully until you find the settings section. Although the original instructions include a direct link, you can access the settings by looking for it in your dashboard sidebar. Selecting this option will lead you to a broad array of configurations you can make to your website. Within the settings, focus on the options related to how your site displays content. Look for a section labeled Reading. Click on the Reading option to open up a set of configurations specific to the display of posts and pages. In this section, you will encounter the area titled Your Home Page Displays, which is essential for defining what visitors see when they first arrive at your site. In this area, you will verify that your website is set to display a static page rather than a list of your latest posts. To switch from dynamic post to a static page, click on the selection for a static page. This action instructs WordPress that you prefer a more controlled presentation rather than automatically updating your homepage with recent blog posts. Now that the option for a static page is activated, the next step is to choose which page will serve as your homepage. You will see a drop-down menu listing the pages available on your website. From this menu, pick the page that best represents the information or design you want to greet your visitors with when they land on your site. As the final step, scroll down toward the bottom of the Reading Settings page. There you will find a button to save changes. Clicking this button confirms that your new settings are applied and that your website will now display your chosen static page as the home page. By following these clear and sequential instructions, you have successfully configured your WordPress website to show a static homepage tailored to your preferences. This concise process should now allow you to manage the look and feel of your site more effectively. Enjoy your newly customized homepage.